Hello friends, I am continuing this video of simple programs. Now I have taken up this program, write the program to enter two numbers and find the sum and difference. Now you will decide how many variables you have. So first of all, the input part, that is enter the two numbers. So we have two variables as input, n1 and n2, and then find the sum and difference. So we have the end results, sum and difference. Now two variables, I have taken s and d for sum and difference. Okay, there will be four variable ones. Now as usual, first statement will be your rem statement to enter two numbers and find the sum and difference. Now then we will have input statement, enter two numbers n1 n2. You can also take inputs in different lines. I have taken input together. Then the process part. Now what is the process part? That is sum and difference. Now how do you find the sum? I have taken an operator. The variable of for end result is s for sum. S will be n1 plus n2. Using the operator plus, I am finding the sum of two numbers. See? Now for difference, I have to find n1 minus n2. This is the difference. Now the input part, the process part. Now I am coming to the end results. Now how will I display the end results? Using some messages, good messages. This is a good practice. I am writing the end results. Print sum of two numbers is s. You can also write equal to if you want. 60. Print difference of two numbers is equal to, everything in double quotes will be printed as it is. The d variable is the end result. Okay. Finally, end. In basic programming, it is very easy, but other programming languages are also easy. First, my main aim is to help you learn developing the code, how to develop the code. Okay. Now what will be the result of this? After executing this program, the first statement is non-executable. Rem statement will not be executed. This is the output box. You can make a bigger output box if you want. Now how the results will be, how the program will run. First of all, it will ask for two numbers. Suppose I have given 5. So with the space bar I have given 3. Now s will be calculated. n1 will store 5. 5 will be stored in n1. 3 will be stored in n2. S will have n1 plus n2. 5 plus 3 is 8. 5 minus 3 is 2. That will be in D. What it will, I have done the processing. Now print. Computer will do the processing. You will not have to. I am just going through a dry run so that you understand how the computer executes the program. Sequential execution is done in program. Then the results will be printed. Sum of two numbers equal to s is 8. Difference of two numbers is 2. D is 2. This will be the output. Now I am continuing with the other program, write a program to enter length and breadth of a rectangle and find area and perimeter. For these types of questions, you should always know the formula first. Suppose area of a rectangle, the formula is L into B, length into breadth. For perimeter, of a rectangle, the perimeter is twice L plus B. Now you will have to convert this expression into computer language. 2 in bracket L plus B means, it also means that it is equal to 2 into bracket L plus B and then again bracket, that is 2 multiplied by L plus B, 2 times of length and B ka sum. Okay. Or you can also write 2L plus 2B, a formula. This is a formula, so don't have to worry, this will be given in your questions generally. A basic level question you should know. Instead of writing 2L, you will always write 2 asterisk L in one bracket and plus 2 asterisk B in another bracket. Now you know how many variables are there. The length and breadth, input variables are 2. I am taking L and B, and output variables are 2. I am taking A for area and P for perimeter. Okay, now start writing. First is the rem statement. Now you can easily write enter L and B, find area and perimeter of rectangle. This depends upon the programmer. He can write it in his code, whatever. The only purpose of rem is for the programmer who is writing the program, that when he comes back after few days or few weeks or few months, he will immediately read the rem statement and understand that this program is doing what. I can just read it and understand that this is a program for finding the area and perimeter of a rectangle, and I have to enter length and breadth. Now input. Now I am taking inputs in different lines so that you can understand how you can take up inputs in separate lines. Separately you can take inputs. Enter length of rectangle, input, enter breadth of rectangle, 40. Now after taking the inputs, the process part, formula application of the formula A is equal to L asterisk B. The second formula, P is equal to 2 into L plus B in brackets. You can write either way, this formula or this one. I have taken this formula. Formula should be correct, format is not important. Then the output part, area of rectangle is equal to a print double quote start perimeter of rectangle equal to double quotes close semicolon p, and then int. This is how we are writing the program. Now see the output, how it will run. Rem is non-executable. First input will print enter length of rectangle question mark. I suppose I am giving the value as 8. Then enter breadth of rectangle question mark, and then suppose I am giving the value 10. Now the processing will be done. L will store what? 8 in memory. B will store 10 in memory. Now what will A store? A is L into B. 8 into 10. 8 into 10, 80 will be stored in A. P will have twice of L plus B. L is 8 plus 10. 8 plus 10 is 18. 2 into 18 will be 36. This will have 36. Okay, processing done. Now the output. Area of rectangle is equal to, what is it? 80 perimeter of rectangle equal to 36. This is the end of your program. Friends, you can also mail me your problems at, if you don't understand anything, at chaturvedinihar@gmail.com, or you can also call me at my number 7800797777. I am freely available. I will be happy to help for programming problems for students, programmers and parents. Okay, so do like my video and do call me, do mail me for your problems, and I will provide you the video on that program. Okay, on your problem. Thank you so much. Bye bye, all the best.